Now over here I have a smartphone that you can just drop, and if you pick it back up, it's gonna look just fine and it's gonna work perfectly as well. Hi guys, welcome back to the Honest Tech Show. Today we're taking a look at the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. And this thing comes in at 1,199 ringgit here in Malaysia. Now I know what you guys are thinking, the A series smartphone is the entry-level smartphone from OPPO. So why does it cost so much? Well, OPPO is not only making entry-level smartphones anymore, they're trying to give you entry-level smartphones with incredible specs. Which is why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the incredible features in here and why the price of this smartphone is actually really cheap for what you're getting. Grab your drinks and stay tuned guys, because we're going to take a look at the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So this is the box of the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. It's a very simple box. So let's get straight into unboxing this. Now inside the box you have your instructions and quick guides. You also have a really nice black silicone casing. You're getting the smartphone too. Now let's just try the smartphone with the casing and see how it looks. Man, that actually looks really good. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the casing on the blue smartphone here? Inside the box you're also getting a 80 watts adapter, and this will be your Type-C charging cable. So first things first, let's take a look at the design of the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. Now the design is this matte metallic kind of texture. They have two colors I believe. I got the blue one and I absolutely love the gradient effect that you're getting with this smartphone, especially when there's light. However, I think it's made of just plastic, but the sides and the edges are really tough. And OPPO does say even if you drop this smartphone, no matter how hard it is, it's gonna work just fine. And because the smartphone is really durable, yes, OPPO claims that this is one of the most durable smartphones they have built. So like you saw, even if you drop it, it's not gonna be an issue. Your smartphone is gonna work just fine. Next, let's take a look at the screen of the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So this is a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. So I'm coming really close to the screen to allow you guys to see just how beautiful the colors of the display on the smartphone is. It's an AMOLED display, so you can really compare the quality of the screen to iPhones as well as Samsung devices, because it is really beautiful. Now in terms of refresh rate, you're getting 120 Hz as well. So that's going to be really useful, especially for high frame rate gaming. Everything just feels buttery smooth on the smartphone, and I really love the colors of the display here. Now even the brightness of the smartphone can go up to 1400 nits, which is actually good enough to be using this outdoors and things like that. Now the quality of the screen combined with a dual stereo speaker system on this smartphone makes watching movies on here especially really beautiful. Let me just demonstrate it for you right now.
Hey, could you hold this for a second? Thanks. Hey, is this anybody's bike? No? Hey buddy, is this your bike? No change. Does anyone have a pen? Do you have a pen?
So yeah, I think OPPO is giving us a really good display for the price. Now if you take a look at the camera, this smartphone is using a dual camera system, and it is a 50 megapixel main camera to shoot with. And these are just some sample photos that I've taken with the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. And now suddenly you can understand why OPPO is charging just a little bit more for this smartphone, because they want to give you a camera system that is actually really good. Now even the selfie camera on this smartphone is using a 16 megapixel camera. So the quality of your selfies that you can take on this camera is really nice as well. Now for video recording, you can shoot up to 1080p 60 frames per second. Now while this is not the best quality video recording you can get in the market, the quality of video, as you can see here, is actually really good for the price of this smartphone. And I believe this good of a video quality is good enough to most people. So a little vlogging test for those of you who might want to buy this smartphone and do vlogging. I have not edited this video in any way. This is the exact image that you'll be getting. And also in terms of audio, this is directly recorded on the smartphone itself. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Could this be a great option for vloggers as well? Now, one thing I really want to talk to you guys and show on this video was the performance of the smartphone, because it's really good. This smartphone has 16 gigs of RAM, there's 256 gigs of storage, and it's using the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G gaming processor. Now I don't want to talk too much, I'm just gonna open up Mobile Legends and show you how well this smartphone performs when it comes to gaming. Now for those of you who want to see the settings that I'm using to demo this game to you, it's running at high frame rate and the resolution is in HD. I believe this is actually really good settings for a game like Mobile Legends. And from my testing here, it seems to run the game really smoothly. No issue in terms of lagging or anything like that. Plus, you get to play your game in 90 frames per second really consistently. So gaming on the smartphone is a big win. You can be really satisfied with the overall performance with the smartphone. Now when it comes to battery, the smartphone is using a a 6500 milliamp battery. That easily gives you one full day of using this smartphone, no problem at all. Unless, of course, you're gaming heavily on this, then maybe you're getting up to 6 to 8 hours. Which, don't get me wrong, is still really good for a smartphone. And if you ever run out of battery, you can just connect your charger and it will charge using the SuperVOOC charging that goes up to 80 watts fast charging. Now, the 80 watts fast charging will go from 0 to full in about 40 minutes based on my testing. That's really fast. Now, one thing I really want to highlight on this smartphone before showing you the AI features is how durable this smartphone is. Now, OPPO says you can drop this thing, you can throw it in the water, put it wherever you want to, even drop things on the screen of this smartphone, and it will be fine because this is one of OPPO's most durable smartphone in the market right now. So if you're someone clumsy like me, you drop your phone a lot, maybe drop your coffee on it or something like that, you don't have to worry. This smartphone will be just fine. Now let's take a look at the OPPO AI features on this smartphone. Now, of course, the most important feature would be to long press the power button, and you have your Google Gemini, which is probably the AI feature most of us will need on a smartphone, and it's right here. So Google Gemini, check. Now, there are a lot of other AI features on the smartphone. Basically, any AI feature you can expect a smartphone to have is probably gonna be in here. I'm not gonna demo that too much and take too much of your time. But for those of you who want to check it out, there's plenty of videos on the internet showing all the AI features on this smartphone. So go and check them out if you are interested in it. But in short, whatever AI features you may need from a smartphone, I can almost guarantee you it's in here. So that is the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. Now, I hope you guys finally see why this smartphone for the price is actually worth the money. Plus, it's a really good smartphone for those of us who always drop our phone, because like I've explained in this video, this smartphone is really durable. It's one of the only smartphones in the market I can recommend you to use without a casing, because even if you drop it, you don't have to worry. But yes, that along with the beautiful AMOLED display that you're getting, the really large 6500 milliamp battery in here, and the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor that gives you a really good gaming experience with this smartphone as well, makes this smartphone one of the best smartphones you can get at this price point. If you want to check out the OPPO A6 Pro 5G and save some money if you decide to get it, there's a QR code here which you can scan and support my channel as well if you choose to scan it. So please do that. Now, before you guys go, I also need your help to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching another smartphone review on the Honest Tech Show. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!